Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Now we had completed exercise 1.1. The next topic is a rational number between two rational numbers. So you have to find the rational numbers between the two given rational numbers. So how you are supposed to do this? So if I take two rational numbers, suppose I take 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 10. So these are the two rational numbers. You have to find the rational number between them. So how many it can be? So it can be 4 upon 10, 5 upon 10 and 6 upon 10. So how many you have written? Only 3. It can also be written as so if I do this is 15 upon 50 and this is 35 upon 50. So between these two it will be 16 upon 50, 17 upon 50, 18 upon 50 till 34 upon 50. So in between 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 10, first we had written this one. Then we had written this one. So we don't know how many are there. So there are infinitely many rational numbers between the two rational numbers. So how many rational numbers are there between two rational numbers? They are infinitely many. So in the question it will be given to you how many you have to find out. So if we take for an example, find 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 5 upon 6. So how many rational number you have to find? 5. Between 3 upon 5 and 5 upon 6. So first of all, you have to make denominator of both the numbers same. What you have to do? You have to make denominator of both the numbers same. So making denominator of both the numbers same, you have to take out LCM of 5 and 6. जो भी denominator में है उसका LCM लेना है. Why we are taking LCM? Because we are making the denominator of both the number same. So 5 and 6 LCM will be 2 3s are 5 will remain as it is. Then 3 1s are 5 will remain as it is. 1s are. Now this will be the LCM of 5 and 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 5s is 30. So you have to make over here 30. So with what you will multiply 5 to make as 30? So 3 upon 5 into 5 6 is 30. So you will multiply with numerator also and denominator also. 5 upon 5. So this has become 3 6 is 18 and 5 6 is 30. This is 25, 30. Now how many you have to find? 5. So between 18 upon 30 and 25 upon 13, you can write 90 upon 30, 20 upon 30, 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30, and 23 upon 30. So we got 5 rational number. In the question it was mentioned as 5 rational number, so we had written only 5 rational number. So what you have to do first? You have to first make the denominator same of both the given number. So how you are making the denominator same? You have to take LCM of both denominator. So LCM of 5 and 6 is 30. So we had made it 30. So in between this, how many rational number you want? So we want 5. So we have written 5 rational number. So between two rational number, how many rational numbers are there? There are infinitely many rational numbers. So this way you have to find the rational number between the two given rational number. Thank you.